What's up everyone? Welcome back to chatgpt TV. Today I'm here in the heart of Tokyo at one of the most iconic places in the world, Shibuya Crossing. This is not just an intersection. This place is the heartbeat of Tokyo. Take a look around. Huge buildings covered with bright screens, advertisements flashing non-stop, music playing from every direction, and people everywhere. Then the traffic lights change. All the cars stop at once and people from every corner begin to cross. Hundreds, even thousands of people moving together at the same time. It looks chaotic, but it's actually calm, smooth, and perfectly organized. Shibuya Crossing is known as the busiest pedestrian crossing on Earth. Millions of people pass through this area every single day. This crossing has become famous all over the world. You've seen it in movies, commercials, music videos, and travel vlogs. When people imagine Tokyo, this is one of the first images that comes to mind. It represents modern Japan, fast, creative, and full of life. Now, let's talk about something exciting you can experience around. Shibuya go-karting through the city streets. Yes, real-life go-karting on public roads. Dressed in fun costumes, driving through famous areas like Shibuya. People wave, take photos, and cheer as you pass by. It's one of the most unique ways to experience Tokyo, and it gives you a completely different perspective of the city. Driving a go-kart through Shibuya makes you feel like you're inside a video game or movie. You see the crossing from street level, feel the energy up close, and become part of the scene instead of just watching it. Of course, everything is organized, guided, and follows Japanese traffic rules. Safety always comes first. Back on foot, just a short walk from the crossing, you'll find the famous Hachiko statue. This statue tells the story of a loyal dog who waited every day for his owner, even after his owner passed away. Today, it's one of the most popular meeting points in Tokyo and a symbol of loyalty and love. Shibuya is also a major fashion and culture hub. Streetwear, luxury brands, vintage shops, trends are born here. Cafes, restaurants, and rooftop viewpoints surround the crossing, offering amazing views, especially at night when the lights are at their brightest. What I love most about Shibuya is how it brings everyone together. Locals, tourists, students, workers, creators, all sharing the same space. Different cultures, different languages, one powerful atmosphere. Shibuya Crossing is not just a place you walk through. It's something you experience. Whether you're crossing on foot or driving past in a go-kart, this place leaves a lasting impression. If you ever visit Tokyo, Shibuya Crossing is a must-see. Take your time, feel the energy, and enjoy the moment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This is chatgpt TV, and I'll see you in the next video.